Example 3. The blades of a windmill sweep out a circle of area A. Option A. If the wind flows at a velocity v perpendicular to the circle, what is the mass of the air passing through it in time t? Option B. What is the kinetic energy of the air? Option C. Assume that windmill converts 25% of the wind energy into electrical energy. Given the density of air is 1.2 kg per meter cube, area 30 meter square, and wind velocity is 10 meter per second. Calculate the electrical power produced. So, since we need to calculate the mass is equal to density into volume. Volume can be written as area into length. So density into area into length can be written as velocity into time. So therefore mass passing through or mass of the air passing through the windmill will be A rho Vt, where V is the velocity. Option B. We also need to calculate the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So half mass is rho A Vt into V square. So kinetic energy is equivalent to half A rho V cube into T. And finally we need to calculate if only 25% of this energy is converted into electrical energy, we need to calculate the power. That means 25% means 1/4 of the total energy. So electrical energy will be 1/4 of the kinetic energy, which is half rho A V cube into T, which is equivalent to 1/8 A rho V cube into T. So this is the electrical energy produced. We need to calculate this electrical energy in terms of values. So what is electrical power first? So electrical energy by time. So that means we get 1/8 A rho V cube. This is the electrical power. Since area and density and velocity is given, so let us substitute. So 1/8. The area is given, which is 30 meter square. 30 meter square, and density is given, which is 1.2 kg per meter cube, and velocity is given, which is 10 meter square, 10, so 10 cube. So by simplifying, what we get, electrical power will be 4.5 kilowatt.